What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all. What's up, Boss Lady Crew? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all how to wear these press-ons for 3 weeks, y'all. Even longer, the way they was coming off. But this is my press-on prep kit package. This is what you'll be getting when you order your press-ons from me. This is a wooden stick cuticle pusher. So you're gonna push back your cuticles, all your cuticles, y'all. You're going to do it on the sides, at the top. Get all that skin up off that nail plate, y'all. Because it be dead skin. That's a lot of people was asking me, like, how do you get your knit press-ons to stick that long? You know, this, that, the next. Mine pop off within a couple of days. Yada, yada, yada. So after you done put your cuticles back, you're going to use the filer. And you're going to file. Don't do it so hard, y'all. We just want to get it to the point where, you know, the nail can stick on something. File it. So you know, get all that oils and stuff up off your nails. And then we're going to use an alcohol pad. We're going to get all that dust off your nails from you filing. But we want to light file, y'all. We don't want to do it to the point where it's burning and it hurting and all that. No, we're not trying to do all of that. So, like I said, this girl was asking me, like, Simone, how do you get your nails to stick on that long? Mine don't stick that long. You know, I had YouTubers. I mean, my Boss Lady Crew was commenting down at the bottom, like, how you get them to stick? Oh, y'all, this don't come with my nail prep. This is dehydrator. Get y'all some. It don't gotta be Maya's Secret brand. If you want to, you could. If you want to, it's up to you. You can get any brand of dehydrator. This is how I get my nails to stick. And that's just the the little sticky things for when you only want to wear them a shorter period than 3 weeks, 2 weeks. You know, for a couple of days, especially when people have like different occupations. But yeah, this the inside of my box, y'all. But the nails will be on that part when you purchase them. I just did this just for the video, to put them on that cotton part. And I just measure all my nails, take them out the box, see if they fit sidewall to sidewall. Of course they do, because they made just for my fingers. So now I take that glue, y'all, and I'm going to put it all over the whole entire nail. Like all over the whole entire nail. We want to make sure that nail don't go nowhere, honey. I want to make sure that nail don't go nowhere. And we're going to put it on there. And the reason why a lot of people nails fall off, y'all, is because they don't be the right fit. Or maybe you done put the wrong nail on the wrong finger and now they popping off. Maybe you miss a step without, sanding, like filing your nails, or maybe you ain't push your cuticle back. It's something that caught, or you probably in water all the time. But still, y'all seen in my last couple of videos, I had press-ons on and I was cooking, cleaning. I'm doing a lot, so as much as water, even when I was still soaking them, it took a minute for them to soak, for them to just to come off, and I was still having a hard time getting them off, But other than that, just you could do. These nails are so durable, baby. And the way I'm teaching you, you'll have them on for a long time. My nails was like growing out. That's how good they was on. They looked like they needed a feel the way they was. But like I said, don't leave them on that long, because you don't want to, eventually when they start to grow out like that, water will seep through, and you don't want to catch fungus or anything like that. But yeah, I had people in my comments like, how you keep your nails on? How do you put your nails on? This is the way I'm showing. The way I'm showing y'all is the way I put them on. And they last. And not only that, I squeeze at the top. I count to maybe 15. And then I squeeze the sides too as well. See? Squeeze the sides as well. Squeeze the sides. And I do all my nails like that. And then when I'm done, I put some cuticle oil around them. And baby, a lot of people's like, those don't even look like press-ons. They look like you got them done. Yeah, you gonna get that effect, baby. You gonna get that. Especially when you purchase from Boss Lady Simone. The website will be up soon. So, you see them? Boom, boom, boom. You see them? You see them? Ow. Now I gotta put some lotion on. Should have put some oil on them crusty hands, baby. Cause them knuckles was ashy, honey. I'm always sending some water. But, like I said, they gonna last you. They gonna last you, boo-boo. They gonna last you. They gonna last you. But like I said, the website will be up soon, and you'll be able to purchase your lashes, everything it's gonna be up there. It's gonna be up there soon, y'all. And go follow my Instagram, Boss Lady Simone _ headquarters.